like a Hellcat.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online. Just these simple steps. It happens worldwide, everywhere in the world. First, you go to your Play Store. Download the Turbo VPN. Oh, I'm coming. You go to Turbo VPN. After that, you see this is how it look like. Turbo VPN. You can download any other type of VPN you know you can come, and that's if you are not in America. You can download that type of VPN. Just connect to American VPN. You understand? So then let's look at everything. Look at some give it 2 stars, 1 stars. Well, it's your problem. I mean, I enjoy the app. I enjoy it a lot. Now I just need to unfreeze it because I've already installed it before on my own phone. And I just need to unfreeze it. After that, now I go to the app. I can see the app icon there. And you select it in that place. Well, they're gonna bring out the premium just like some other apps. They're gonna bring the premium. So now look at it. Look at all the old VPN you can connect to. Look at, there's no Netflix there. France, United Kingdom, the India, United, everywhere, and the United States. Now I'm going to connect to the United States. That normal VPN, not Netflix. Well, it'll take a while, just a minute or 2. Now it's connected. Well, just like any other app, they're already displaying ads. Now I go to my settings. On my storage, I click on the device so I can clear the cache. That's what, so I can clear the cache and the storage of the Play Store, because all my data are saved there. If you don't do this, the VPN is not going to work very well because the data is already saved there, like Nigeria, everything. Now let's go look for the Play Store. Okay, clear the cache and clear storage. They're gonna bring out this message, but you press OK because it's going to do it to your account. But your phone, all the things you already installed on Play Store is not going to cancel. Well, if you're using iOS too, just like the iPhone, you can still do this. Well, I might do another tutorial for that. Just like my page and subscribe, please. Well, now I'm waiting for a Play Store to load. Cash Zine, that's the name of the app. Cash Zine. You get Cash Zine. This is it. You see, 5 stars, 2 stars. I'm going to do a video about a cash app. So that cash app is real paying. I'm going to do a video about that. Now just to unfreeze it on my phone. Well, that's it. I won't freeze the app. And now, well, because of how item natures are, their phones always hang. So I'm going to accelerate it. After I accelerate it, it's going to be normal. Wow, see the app, guys. The VPN is now disconnected. I disconnected the VPN. Now this is it. You can choose the type of news you would love to hear. You choose anything you would love to hear. Like me, actually entertainment news, and that I'm reading. But I'm going to show you guys. Just stick to the end of this video. That is my invitation code, at 225016682. When you enter that invitation code site, that was you're going to type in. Please type in that. I also use another person's invitation code. That's my invitation code. You guys have to write that. You go to the me, then you type that invitation code. This place, enter invitation code. After you enter there, you are going to type in the invitation code I gave to you. That is 22. Well, ads all the time, ads. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please stick to the end. If not, you're going to miss a lot, and I'm not going to gain anything at all. Well, you're going to write my invitation code here, but my own friend's invitation code, that was going to show there. And we see you have already getting this 8,000 coins bonus. And if you write my own invitation code, you're likely to get 8,000 or more, 8,000 coins or more. So my own friend's invitation code, I got 8,000 coins from it. So that's my coins. My total coins 8,700 now. Well, now you can collect daily rewards, blah blah, everything, and there's some ads pop up. That's just the thing I don't like about the app. Some ads that pop up, sometimes don't need them. Well, it's still a great app. That's if you want to earn some side incomes. Like me, I'm less busy. This is the home. I'm going to select anything I want, like this 50 that is counting. You're gonna see it start counting. If you should count finish, just scroll up, down, up, down, up, down. You don't need to read the news actually. Just scroll up, scroll down, scroll up, scroll down. It's going to be counting. But if you put it in one place, it's going to stop counting. So you just need to be scrolling up and down like you are reading it. Then if it's full, it's going to give you 50 coins. Just like that. It won't take up to a minute to do this. Not up to a minute, I repeat. You can see it. 50 coins added. Before, my coin was 8,700. Watch. 8,750. Because that 50 I collected the first time for the daily check-in. This is another one again. I'm collecting it again. As you can see, I'm not scrolling. I don't see read anything. Watch. Wow, this ad makes sense. Look at it. Video launcher. You guys can download the app. It's very great. As you can see, the way counts finish. It's still gonna pop up now. The 50 coins. That's it. Look at it. The way increase again. Now let me show you guys cash out options. Well, you want to cash out on this app, it's simple. That's if you have a verified PayPal account, and that is easy. If you want to learn how to do that, well, I'm going to do another video about that later. This is Olim Trade and ad. But that this Olim Trade it needs investment. But this app I'm using is for free. And for free to use anyhow, anytime, and anyhow. But they have some certain rules and regulations. Like this, that number 4, they highlighted it in red. Look at it.